Hey everyone, so we're in Bratislava, Slovakia, and I thought, let me change it up a bit. Let's try a hostel. So currently I'm at the Urban Elephant Hostel. Time to explore this castle. Be prepared to climb some stairs. What a beautiful day in late October. Okay, let's have a look at this. Cool little walkway. Okay, so if you're hungry,